Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring the app is current and you're signed in. This prevents missing menu items. Next, grant Instagram permission to access your phone contacts and device settings so the app can read numbers and emails. Once done, open Instagram and go to your profile. This is where contact syncing options live. Make sure you're on the correct account if you manage multiple profiles, because contacts sync per account and you don't want to mix lists. Tap the menu, choose Settings, then Account to find contact syncing. This is the control panel for linking your address book. Tap Connect Contacts to enable the feature. Instagram explains why it needs access, to suggest connections and make finding friends faster. Allow the permission prompts from your device, then wait briefly while Instagram imports names and numbers. Once the initial batch finishes, the app will start recommending people. Make sure to review suggestions before following to keep your network tidy. After syncing, review the suggested people Instagram shows. You can follow or dismiss each suggestion based on relevance. To stop or reset syncing, return to account contacts syncing and toggle off or remove synced contacts. This keeps your account from continuously importing unwanted entries. If something goes wrong, check that permissions are still granted, update the app, and restart your phone. These steps fix most sync hiccups because they refresh permissions and network access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.